Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I am sitting here making earrings. I'll be going to an event in September that I got invited to. So my thought is to have the theme is going to be these charmed earrings. So I'm going to be making quite a few of these. The charmed earrings, of course, they'll all look different. And in addition to that, I will have a lot of necklace sets. So anytime I do like these ladies events, because I did it not last year, I've done it before, and every time I do it, I tend to do really well with the necklace sets. So what a necklace sets, and then like a certain type of earring. So my whole thing is to have a lot of the charmed earrings, to have some necklace sets, and I'll have some bracelets, but not like a whole lot of bracelets. It'll be something for people to pick from, but it won't be like a whole lot of them. It'll be more necklace sets and then just regular earrings. So what I'm doing now is I got a lot of the charms, custom charms that I put together. So I'm gonna just be kind of just putting charms on here. I want to say at least six to a pair earring, to an earring. And this is three, and they will be different. Three. Let's see. Something nice and small. Like this one I'm going to use. This one I'm going to use. Oh, let's do one of these too. That's four. And then this will be five. And then, we can do this one. That'll be six. The little bitty tiger eye. And then, so for this, the only thing I don't like about it is how far that charm hangs out. So I'm going to take that one off and then replace it with another one because they all need to be about the same size and length. So I'm going to put these two back on, and we'll find a smaller one, which will be maybe this one. And then they're all pretty much the same. So I'm going to use the blue bead, which I had in mind to use for this pair. And then if you notice, it just gives them a really different kind of look. And I might, let's try one other bead, like maybe, oh, you know what? Let's try this one and see how this one looks on there. I kind of like the way that looked for the black. And they're just, just a nice size. So we'll do this one, and then this one will get five. So we'll put 1, 2, 3, 3, and then let's do 3. This might be a little long. 4. And let's go with 5 with this one. And then let's take a look at them. We'll put the black bead. And then see if they give us pretty much the same look. And they do. I happen to like these. I think these are just really cute. They're very different. And they're nice and just kind of dainty. Just enough earring to decorate the ear. So what I'm going to do is take it and take the wire, and I pinch it to squeeze it downward so it's not loose. So I'm pinching it, and I'm going to take the wire and bend the wire over, and it gives me this. And then I hold it, pinching it down so it'll be pressed down, closed, and then I'm going to wrap it. So then we'll wrap And then I'm going to take the wire and then wrap down on the bead like you see. So it'll go down, wrap down on the bead, like you see that going. And then I'm going to take it down and then wrap it around the bottom like that. And then I'm going to, I don't want it to be too thick at the bottom, so I'm going to lift that up. I am going to clip it about right there. I'm going to take these pliers and turn that inward. So it won't pinch or anything. I'm just kind of pressing it in. So that's that. And see if I can round this out a little bit more. Like so. And then what I did is I put a bigger hole at the bottom because my thought was I was going to put some little dangle something. And I'm not sure if I like this or not. Because I could always clip this or I could fold it. You know, you can always fold it over if you feel like you made it too big. And then just fold it down like that. And then this is what we came out with for the earring. And then let's do the other one. And let's just kind of make sure the charms look like what we want them to look like on this one. And this one looks a little less fuller than this one right here. And it's only because some of the beads are a little bit bigger on this one than on this one. And I think, oh, let's see. Yeah, because this one is a bigger bead. 2, 4, 6, and 2, 4. I got 5 on this one, that's why. So let's do, yep, this one has 5. And then let's put, let's try this one. Yeah, that should make it nice and full. So we'll put this black bead on here. Now that looks like it's probably about the same as full. Right. So then I'm going to take my wire, I'm going to fold it over like so. And then I'm going to wrap. And then I'm going to wrap around the bead. Holding my wire and just wrapping around the bead. Using the wire to just, you know, guiding the wire to wrap around the bead. Just wrapping it around. And then I'm going to go down to wrap it down the bottom. And then I'm going to bend that wire up. I'm going to clip it. Take my pliers. And I'm going to just turn it. Curl the end is what I want. Curl it in. And then I'll tuck it. Okay, so this is what these look like. I like these. I'm gonna make a lot of these because I'm gonna have these for September. Oh, let's see, this was coming out. Okay. And then we'll put our little ear wire. let's see. I'm going to take the little bottom part that I curled over, because I gave it a lot only because I was going to hang something from it, but I'm deciding not to, so I'm going to just take it, bend it over, smash it down. And then that's it. So now we have another pair of the little charm earrings. Just real easy and simple. Simple and easy. And you can see how these would look on with a nice little outfit, just adding a nice little touch. Hair pent up, or if you got your hair hanging down with it behind your ears or something, and then the earrings just showing. I like the wire wrapped around the bead. It just gives it a really nice look, you know, like a very rich look. So if I was just to take the wire and just wrap it around the top, you would see, of course, all the black bead, but I wanted just a little bit more to make it look a lot richer. And then the wire does that. It really does. It gives it a really nice look. So I like the way these came out. So I'm going to be doing more of these charmed earrings for that event. So I'm going to do quite a few of these with all these little small beads that I have. And that's it for this pair. And that was all of like, what, maybe 10, what's the time on here? That's 12 minutes. So that was all of like, what, the video is like at 12 minutes right now. So this was all of like, what, maybe 10, not even 10 minutes to make it, to make these. Just that fast, just that easy. The time is in putting together the, you know, the charms, like deciding which beads you want to use. And then of course, putting the wire and just creating the charms is where all the time is. So what I generally would do is I would gather up all the beads, which I'm planning to do. I will gather up all the small beads, and I will try to do them all in one sitting, just to get them out of the way so I could reach and grab and just kind of have them already ready, as opposed to just, you know, making it as I go, which for me, it just don't be making no sense. So I said, okay, I'll just do it like this, set aside some time, and, you know, make the charms and keep it moving. And that's another thing I need to figure out. I had bought these little cassette charms. So I'm figuring out what I'm going to do with these. If I'm going to make earrings, if I'm going to add them onto necklaces. I don't even know yet. Maybe on some bracelets. But I'll figure it out, because I've had these for a while. So I do need to do something, you know, with these. And I keep saying that in every video because I have all this stuff. And I'm buying, well, I haven't bought anything in a while. So I'm saying, okay, well, no, just use what you got, you know. And I'm saying this to myself. And look, I even got these beads. I still got these pretty beads that I got to figure out something to do with. You know, just a lot of pretty beads around here that I have. And I just need to, even like with the boho beads. You know, so I have a lot of pretty beads and stuff just kind of still left around that I need to, you know, do some stuff with. And I got quite a few of them. So I figured I'm going to do something. And look, I could see these on a bracelet or a necklace right here, because they matching really well. These, and still got all these back here. Just, you know, just some beautiful beads. All this right here. Now, why would I go buy some beads, right? I got to discipline, and I've been doing that, been disciplining myself, you know, not to buy any, and just try to figure out what I can do with what I have. So anyway, we will talk soon. Thank you for being subscribers. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for posting all your beautiful creations in the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone. Y'all are like the coolest people ever. And guess what? We'll talk soon.